Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the Sims Mobile mod menu, completely free on both iOS and Android devices. This mod unlocks all the best hacks in The Sims Mobile, including unlimited SIM cache, unlimited simoleons, and premium features that work seamlessly across iPhone and Android. On your screen, you'll see the mod menu in action. With this version of The Sims Mobile Double Plus Plus, you'll gain access to powerful options like free shopping, unlimited resources, and much more to enhance your gameplay experience. Before we get started, make sure your The Sims Mobile app is updated to the latest version. To check, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store and confirm there are no pending updates. Once your game is up to date, you're ready to go. The next step is simple. Head down to the pinned comment below this video. I've included full instructions there on how to safely download the Sims Mobile Plus Plus mod menu. Follow the steps carefully, and you'll be able to unlock all these amazing features in minutes. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with other Sims Mobile players. Your support helps the channel grow and ensures you never miss future updates, tips, and mod guides. That's all for today's video. Enjoy your unlimited SIM cache and simoleons, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now!